Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Be sure to smash that subscribe button. Right here I have a regular slime. Right here I have slime on my shirt because I was making slime over, and it's not overactivated or anything. I'm gonna overactivate it and show you guys how my slime's overactivated, what I do. So I just put a bunch of activator on it, and I'm just kneading it. And it's getting really overactivated. And most people should have the ingredient that I'm using at home. I happen to have it, and I was just playing with it, putting in my slime because people said it makes it softer or whatever. But it actually fixed my overactivated slime. I wanted to make my overactivated slime soft, and then yeah. So guys, as you can see, I'm gonna show you guys that my slime's overactivated. My slime is really overactivated, like, doesn't click or anything. Like, breaks in half, okay? I even go slow. Like, it's really overactivated. So, I'm just gonna add more activator. Because I didn't think it was gonna work or anything. Not even that I was trying to do it, but I didn't think it would work. I didn't think it would work or whatever, but yeah. So I'm not going to tell you what the ingredient is until I get my slime really super overactivated. So kneading. Okay. So the ingredient I'm going to be using is Suave Kids. I have the frozen one for my overactivated slime. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stir the bottom of it. As you can see, I'm not even joking. And then you just gotta really just knead it. The slime's gonna turn like this. It's gonna turn really stringy. So I'll show you guys one more time. Your slime's gonna eventually turn like this, and that when you get to that, you just want to knead it. Don't think like, oh, this isn't gonna work. You just gotta, if you do that, that actually means it's working. And just keep kneading. This video was not paused at all, guys. So this is actually true. Try it for yourself. If you want the exact place I got this from, we got it from Sam's Club for $5. Yeah, 2 bottles of it for $5. And we're using the frozen one. It's gonna look like this, guys. Don't worry. The Suave Kids melt the slime, so you might want to add a little bit of activator to it, so it's not super sticky, because it gets sticky right now. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of activator, because I don't want sticky slime. So I just squirted a little bit of activator on it. My activator is borax. We got it from Dollar General, a huge box. And guys, it actually works. It just makes my slime really sticky, but you can fix that by activating it. So you have no more overactivated slimes if you do this. Instead of throwing all those slimes away, you use the magic tool Suave Kids. And this Suave Kids is 2-in-1. It's shampoo and body wash. And tear-free. This is the bottle if you guys want to go buy it. It's really big. There is a, how many ounces are in this? There's 40 fluid ounces in it. So guys, I'm just gonna knead this more and activate it more. So yeah. This is the slime that now that I'm done. Sorry for the TV in the background. My sister's watching TV. Yeah, this slime is perfect. Guys, if you don't believe it, go try it for yourself. Because this was originally Flirt. My sister made Flirt. We did a Flirt video. We made the Flirt and it got overactivated. So, I just fixed it and now I'm going to make a slime swirl. The only bad thing about this is it's really droopy. But I think that's because it's sticky. So I'm just going to activate it more. So guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so you never missed another video like this one again. And comment down below hashtag notification squad. I'll be doing notification squads, and comment down below a name for our YouTube channel. We don't have an exact name yet, so I'm gonna change the name. Bye guys, love you.